Welcome to the Hostinegr Coupon Code channel. If you're looking for the best Hostinegr discount codes, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be demonstrating with Hostinger's business hosting plan, but you can apply this discount to any hosting plan that suits your needs. I have a special partnership link with Hostinegr that gives you an exclusive 20% discount. While regular coupon codes only offer 10% off, my partnership link provides double the savings. Let me show you the price difference so you can see the significant value you're getting. For this demonstration, I've selected a 48-month duration, and there's great news. You'll receive a free domain and an additional 3 months with your order. Here's an important tip. Always choose the longest duration possible to maximize your savings. Let me share a real example from my own experience. I initially purchased business web hosting for just $41 for 1 year. When it came time to renew, the cost jumped to around $95 for another year. However, if I had purchased a 4-year plan from the start, my total cost would have been only $108 for the entire 4 years. That's a massive difference, which is why I strongly recommend going with the maximum duration available. Now, let me walk you through how to claim your discount. You'll find my special link in both the description and the comment section. When you click this link, you'll be redirected to Hostinger's website. From there, simply scroll down to view the available plans or navigate to the Services menu in the nav bar to explore all options. For this example, I'm selecting the business plan. But remember, you'll receive the same 20% discount on any plan you choose. Here's another important tip. Always use a new email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinegr to ensure you receive the maximum discount. Don't worry about the currency shown in this video being in rupees. The discount percentage remains the same regardless of your local currency. When you convert the amount, you'll see the same savings applied. I've included 2 checkout links in the description, one specifically for India and another for USA and worldwide customers. Simply click the appropriate link for your location, follow the steps, and enjoy your exclusive Hostinegr discount.